OK, time now for the news. We Irish still love our TV news, and if you don't believe me, then just try putting your programme up against it in the ratings. It'll be good night and good luck. And here to break the news of these nominations, would you please welcome Barry Murphy.
There you are. The news is very important because it's the news. Yeah, I can't see the auto cue. There's a guy in the way. You try and do it, yeah. We're very fortunate in this country in that the news happens so regularly. However, in recent times, the delivery of news has changed a lot because of the influence of certain individuals, very powerful individuals in Irish life, who, I don't want to single out anyone in particular, but you only have to look. My dog. How did you get my dog? Yeah, which bridge? Is the M50 busy? Yeah, I understand. Yeah, skip that bit too. Anyway, the news and the nominees for the IFTA for the news are as follows.
BBC Newsline, The Death of Ian Paisley.
That was yesterday. This is today.
RTE 61 News, Graham Dwyer.
Graham Dwyer has been found guilty of the murder of Elaine O'Hara in August 2012.
Nuacht, T.G. Cahir.
Tá an taontas orpach le chorus nuawannu le ghlacha le tifi muintir na sidia ach go háirid.
TV3 News, The 5:30, the resignation of Garda Commissioner Martin Callanan.
High drama.
UTV Ireland, Ireland Live.
Our top story. Prince Charles visits the scene where his granduncle lost his life in an IRA bomb.
And the winner is, and actually no offence to any business people in the room who are very powerful and the winner is BBC Newsline, The Death of Ian Paisley.
Such a surprise. We weren't expecting this.
We weren't. So I'll see if there's something ready. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, look, there are challenges in daily news, and then if you're BBC Northern Ireland, there's reporting the death of Ian Paisley, one of the towering political figures on these islands. I'm honoured on behalf of BBC Newsline that you believe we rose to that challenge. Thank you very much for that, and thank you to the supremely committed and talented team that I have the privilege to lead. Gurmila Magov Alig as Angradam Shaw.